Due to the demanding environment that these products are used in, DCD has made several changes to the 7/16 and 1/2 inch rodders. We've started by changing the frame by extending this gusset out to provide additional support to the base of the frame for heavy loading. We've also made changes to the cage, including 2 rings on the outside to provide protection to the rod and also additional support for the spokes. We've changed a number of spokes from 6 to 10 and retested the design for balance. We've also added a termination box to the cage to better secure the rod. We've had these units out in the field with local customers and the feedback has been good. We hope that you get a chance to try our 7/16 and 1/2 inch rodders, and please let us know if you have any feedback. Thanks.